good at that. I can really tell.
There's a baby Sierra. There's a baby Sierra. Yeah. Yeah. You did not want to come out of there, did you?
More blue eyes.
Oh. Oh. Look at babies here.
Baby, you did so good. That was a huge baby to just shoot out. Good job. You're amazing. You know that?
Oh, oh, look at your face. Look at your face.
Hi, baby. Nobody's ever gonna hurt you. No. She's absolutely adorable.
Freddie's gonna be thrilled.
Oh God, he's so excited. He cannot wait for her to get home. Thank you, sir.
Sorry, said
I
it's better
thought
for
tonight
a
he
pup.
wanted
Yeah,
a puppy
he decided that he
instead.
wanted a puppy instead of a little sister.
Really?
Well, I'm sorry.
You're okay.